Today, we will talk about helping you quit smoking more easily using amazing apps. We've handpicked some remarkable apps to make this journey easier and more effective. First, let's talk about why quit smoking apps are game changers. They provide personalized support, track progress, and motivate you with resources and communities. It's like having a quit coach, health tracker, and support group all in one. These apps tackle the physical and psychological hurdles of quitting, making the process more manageable and less daunting. 1. Quit Tracker. This app shines in showing tangible benefits like money saved and health improvements. It visualizes your recovery and the money you're saving and has a supportive community for sharing experiences. Quit Tracker also shows you how much time you spent without cigarettes and the amount of life you regained by not smoking. With this app, you can also see how much life you lost and how many cigarettes you smoked before quitting. In addition, it shows you the type of rewards you can get if you stop smoking. It is an ideal app for those who find motivation in seeing their progress in numbers. 2. Smoke Free. Next, we have Smoke Free, an app rooted in science. It offers daily missions, a cravings diary, and health recovery stats. It shows you what you gain by giving up smoking, rewards you for no smoking achievements, and helps you with cravings. Smoke Free also helps you celebrate how long you've been quit, how your health is improving, how much money you are saving, how many cigarettes you've not smoked, and how much life you've regained. It has an AI quit coach that provides tools and accountability to increase your chances of success further. Its Life Regain Calculator is a unique feature. It is excellent for those who appreciate a structured and scientific approach to quitting. Number 3. Quit. Quit uses gamification to make quitting engaging. It employs cognitive behavioral therapy techniques with achievements and levels in a fun, game-like format. It is perfect for those who need a fun and interactive approach. With the Quit dashboard, you can track your progress daily from the day you decide to quit smoking. Indicators such as money saved, cigarettes not smoked, life expectancy gained, and many others will motivate you to continue your smoking cessation. It also offers you strategies to cope with your cravings. This feature helps you better understand your dependence and makes it easier to break the addiction cycle. 4. My Quit Buddy. This app offers a comprehensive approach. It helps set personal goals, provides daily motivation, and a community for support. It is ideal for those seeking a personalized and community-focused experience. My Quit Buddy can be customized to suit whatever stage you are at on your quit journey. It helps you stay smoke-free by keeping you motivated and ensuring your goals are on track. You can watch how much money you save when you quit smoking. It has a community to help you out with success stories and tips. 5. Quit Genius. This app takes a psychological approach. It uses cognitive behavioral therapy to address the mental habits associated with smoking. It includes guided therapy sessions, craving support, and educational content. If you want to understand and tackle the psychological aspect of your addiction, this is a fantastic tool. These are only 5 of many great apps to help you quit smoking. It is important to note that maximizing these apps involves honesty in tracking, engaging with their communities, setting achievable goals, celebrating every small victory. Remember, these apps are powerful tools, but your determination is key. They guide and support you, but you make the change. Quitting smoking is a challenging journey, but you're not alone. These apps are here to guide, motivate, and support you. We'd love to hear about your experiences and tips in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Stay tuned for our next enlightening video. See you soon.